My name is J.H. Chowdhury. I was the founder of Software Technology Parks of India, and present I am the chairman for the India Blockchain Standards Committee. I am very happy to participate in the program coordinated by Touch a Life Foundation for this World Kindness Day. I'm very delighted to talk to you on this very important occasion. The kindness, the word kindness itself is a very important at this point of juncture when the world is going through the complexity. So why kindness is important today in our basic education system at the primary level, the higher education level, the values are missing. Earlier, value-based education is to be imparted to the students. Even the sons of emperors, sons of other big heavyweights also, they used to go as a normal student to the teacher in the forest area in the Gurukul, so-called Gurukulam, and there no ego factor was there. I'm so and so. I come with this kind of a baggage and all that this thing. So they used to impart the value-based education to everybody, whether it's a poorest person who goes to the teacher or the richest person or emperor's son or daughter, whoever goes to the Gurukul, they used to get that kind of a value-based education. Unfortunately, over a period of time, maybe it's because of industrialization or the current kind of dynamics which are happening in the industry, we totally lost on the values. It's hardly we are getting that kind of value in the educational institutions. They're all going in the modern technologies, industry 4.0, all this buzzwords, whatever relevant this thing, they're only focusing and talking and all that. I think it is absolutely required to impart the values, importance of why somebody has to look at how they can play a role here in helping this society, in reshaping the society. With a lot of issues the world is now going through, whether it's issues of the global warming, issues of the unemployment, issues of the poor countries not having any one meal a day kind of thing. A lot of complexities are there, and a lot of poor people are becoming poorer and poorer, and rich people are becoming richer and more richer. So this kind of thing is not good for the universe, good for the our globe. I think there is a need for us to really look at what is that we need to bring a change, not ordinary change. We need to bring a disruptive change in our education system. That's where I really liked Touch a Life Foundation activities, the TAL Foundation. When they came out with Transformers 2021, where they wanted to have all the school children, right from LKG to up to age 22, to participate in the Transformers 21 on the Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations. So why they have chosen SDGs of United Nations is basically the technology. Anybody can give a new technology and try to make money using the technology, product or IP, but they wanted the children to attempt to solve some of the bigger issues of the society, looking at what United Nations has done in the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. I think that's where I really liked the fundamentally what TAL Foundation is doing, trying to bring the fundamental change in thinking of the students, thinking of the institutions, thinking of the schools, that we have to contribute positively to the society. Then only the kindness will, otherwise kindness cannot be given as a recipe to undergrad student or postgrad student or somebody. It has to come right from this in the LKG onwards. They should participate in the activities where they should see that happiness in helping the people. That's where the kindness starts. Suppose my grandkid, when he goes to school, he should come and tell, Tata, today I've done something. I helped somebody who is very poor, and that's where you should feel the happiness. And parents also have to encourage, the whole ecosystem has to encourage that kind of activities, and that has to come from the ground level. That's where I really appreciate the efforts taken by Touch a Life Foundation at this point of time, particularly bringing this Transformers 2021 to make sure that children are really getting to know about why they are doing the work on the sustainable development goals. So in Telugu, there is a proverb, "Mokkai vangande mane vangadu." That means you cannot mold the people when they're already at the higher education, the 15 years plus and all that. Even scientific research says that the brain development, whatever the formative years of the child, that's when the real transformation can take place, whether good, bad or ugly. That's where now Touch a Life Foundation is trying to bring the early on into them that the value-based education, the giving back to the society, and how they can see that kindness everywhere. I have seen a movie called Three Idiots. In that movie, always they keep talking about this positive, all is well, all is well. Everything is positive, everything is in the mind. So unless you bring that concept, not in just theory and all that, by allowing the students to do some activities where they should really get the kindness points, where ultimately they can use those kindness points and getting admissions to the Ivy League schools. But that's not the priority. Priority is how they can get those the kindness as an important element in their lives, to understand why they have to look towards the people who are underprivileged, people who are really suffering with a lot of problems in the society. I think that's where I see the advantage in participating in this Touch a Life Foundation activities, either is Transformer 2021 or World Kindness Day. All these things, we have to do it on an ongoing basis, so that the parents, the children, the entire society will look at what they can do for the society. With this, I once again want to thank the organizers for giving me great opportunity to participate in this World Kindness Day platform. Thank you.